We are doing exercise 12.1, question number 14. Divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio of 3:2. Now let's do it. We are doing exercise 12.1, question number 14. Divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. So here ratio is 3:2. Now we will find the sum of ratio. This is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now Sheila and Sangeeta, then pens. Sheila's pens equal, you can see ratio of Sheila is 3 and total ratio is 5, so 3/5. Multiply 20 pens total, so we will cut here 5 and 20, then it is 3 4s are 12 pens. This is the Sheila's ratio. After that, Sangeeta's pen, it will be written as 2/5, multiply 20, 5 4s are 20, then 2 4s are 8 pens. So in this way you are required to solve this question. This is question number 15. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If the age of Shreya is 15 years and the age of Bhumika is 12 years, find out how much money Shreya and Bhumika will get. Now do this question. In this question number 15, mother wants to divide 36 rupees between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. मतलब जो मदर हैं वो चाहती हैं कि अपनी डॉटर्स को 36 रुपीज़ डिवाइड करके दें इन द रेशियो ऑफ देयर एजेस. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड रेशियो ऑफ द एजेस. सो रेशियो ऑफ एजेस, and this ratio we are finding Shreya age to Bhumika age. Then here we will write 15, this is 15 years old Shreya and Bhumika is 12 years old. Now we will remove this by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, so this is 5:4. Now after this is the ratio in which mother wants to divide rupees 36. So we will find the sum of ratio. This sum of ratio is equal to 5 plus 4. This is 9. Now Shreya will get money. Now Shreya get, this is 5/9 multiplied by rupees 36. Now we will cut it, 9 4s are 36, then it is rupees 20. Now after that Bhumika gets, this will be 4/9 multiply rupees 36. We will cut that, 4s are, this is 16. So rupees 20 and rupees 16. This is question number 16. Present age of father is 42 years and his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of. There are 4 parts to be found. First part, find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. Second part, age of father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. And then C part, age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. And then D part, age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. This is question number 16. Here age of father is 42 years and his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of. So there 4 questions are there in this part. First of all, ratio of the age of father to the age of son. Then first ratio we will get age of father upon age of son. Father age, this is 42 and age of son it is 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 threes are 42. So this is 3:1. This is first part. Now this is 16b part, age of father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. Then if son is, present age of son is 14 and the given age of son is 12. So first of all we will write here age of son. This is given 12 years, means this 12 years is the age of 2 years back. ये 2 साल पहले की एज है, क्योंकि अभी तो सन की जो एज है वो 14 है. तो एज ऑफ फादर वी विल कैलकुलेट. Then father present age 42, then here -2, then 40 years. That time the age of father will be 40 years before 2 years. Now here we are finding ratio of age of father to the age of son. So father's age 40 and son's age 12. Now we will remove this by 4. 4 10 ja, 4 3 ja. So this is 10:3. This is question number 16c part, age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. So here we will calculate after 10 years both ages, age of son also and age of father also. So age of son after 10 years, now the son is of 14 years. So after 10 it will be of, he will be of 24 years. 24 plus 14 plus 10, it is 24. Age of father, father is now 42 and after 10 years he will be of 52 years. Now ratio, age of father to age of son 52/24. Now remove this by 4. 4 6 are and 4 13 are. So this will be 13:6. Now this is 16d part, age of father to age of son when father was 10 years old. When father was 30 years old. So here you can see age of father, this is 30 years. Now here you can see difference from the present age to this age. 42 minus 30, this is 12 years difference. So age of son that time we can calculate, this will be 14 minus 12, then it is only 2 years. Now ratio we will calculate, ratio is father's age to the son's age 30/2. This will be 15, this will be 1. So 15:1.